Hi guys, hope you're well. I have made a website named the Rustic Windows. It is a basically hotel site, hotel landing page with the one nav along with the three buttons and one heading, one home tab or home page with one heading, one paragraph, and a button along with it, an image. After that, there is a menu section. It will take some time to load. This is the menu section. There are basically one image, one heading, one paragraph, and one button aligned with the flex, and all the items are aligned with the grid. So there are basically 9 grid elements, and after that there is a footer section along with the 3 sections. So when I click on the home, it will load me to the home. When I click on the menu, it will take me to the menu, and after that when I click on the contact us, it will take me to the footer in the contact section. If I click on the buy now, it will again take me to the menu. So this is the whole website. Now I'm going to talk about the code. I have made it using Webpack. There is a main entry file named index.js. Index.js loads 4 functions: page load, home load, menu load, and footer load, and these functions are imported from the separate files: home.js, footer.js, initial.js, menu.js. Firstly, we will talk about initial.js. I have created reusable functions. One is the create div with class with the class name, create heading with the heading name and text, create anchor with the class name and text, and create header with the id. And after that I have created a nav bar. There is basically one nav constant, and then a logo section and a button section. In the logo section there are one div and a heading, and then this heading is appended to the div. And after that in the button section there is a one div and 3 basically button anchor tags: btn home, btn menu, btn contact us. I have used create anchor. It is which I have made in this create anchor function. So similarly, create div with class, I have reused it. Create heading, reused it, and then I appended these contact us, menu, and home to the button section. So after that I have appended logo section and button section to the nav and return nav. Then I created a function, exportable function page load, in which I have selected the class content which I have made, which I have created in my index.html file. So in my initial.js I have selected it and then created a header using create header function, and created a nav bar using create nav bar function, giving it a class tabs. And then I appended this nav bar to the header, and this header to the content, and return content. So this is the page load, and now using init I have loaded it, page load, which loads nav bar. After that I have created home section. I have imported create div with class function, create heading, create anchor, and one image from this is my in the source folder. This is my image folder. I have created create image function with the class name, and I have given it image.source, my image, which I have created here, my image. Then I created a paragraph create function. Created a function named create paragraph with the class name and a text. It creates a paragraph and then give it a class name and a text content, and return this constant again. After that I have created create home, which is consisted of one parent div and 2 sections. The first section have one div, one heading with the class and the text, and one paragraph with the class and the text, and one button with the class and text. Then I appended all these constants heading, para, and button into the text section. After that I have created image section. In image section I have created one div with a class then used create image, and then appended this image constant to the image section. Both sections are ready, and now they are ready to append. In my parent div, I have appended text section and image section. In return parent div. Now I have created home load function which selects content similarly as I used in the initial.js for the navbar. Then I created a constant home page create home with the class, and then I appended this home page into the content. Now using init, I have loaded it in the index.js after importing home load. Then I created menu section. As I have explained, it has 9 items with the 9 images, 1 heading, 1 paragraph and 1 button. So I have imported these all the images. Then I create a function create menu details which is reusable. In it I have created 3 basically parameters. One is the source of the image, and the second one is the heading text, and third one is the paragraph text. I created a main div, and then I created the first div with the class. Then I created image with the source, image.source is equal to source, and give it a class, and then appended this image into the div. This is the first section, my menu first section. The menu second section, I have created a div, give it a class, created a heading, give it a class and a text, created a paragraph, give it a class and a text, created an element anchor, give it a class and give it a text, and then append all heading, paragraph and a into the second main div. Then both sections are ready to append in the main div. So I appended first div and second div into the main div, return main div. Then there is a main function create menu section. There is one div I have created, this is the main div, then give it a class, and now I have used I have created 9 items and used create menu details which I have created as reusable function. So the first parameter is the source of the image, second one is the heading text, and third one is the paragraph text. So these 9 items are created, and then I appended all these items to the div and return div. Then I exported the function menu load to the index.js. I have selected content, then created a constant menu with the function create menu section, and then appended the menu into the content and loaded it in the my index.js. Now I have created footer section. Basically footer section, there I have created functions create second footer section, item ul class name and div class name. I have created one div with the class name, then I have created this constant ul and give it a class name, and then for the first parameter I used for each text created a constant li and create li and give it a text content text and append this li to the ul. It means that if I use an array in the first parameter, if I use an array in the items in the space of the items as an array, then it will create li of that text. I have used it later, I'll show you. Then I've created a function create footer. It's create an element footer and create a div with the class main footer. Then I've created first section, second section and the third section. In the first section I have used create div with class create heading, create paragraph with the text and class, and append this heading and paragraph to the div. And then I created a second div with the heading of class and text, and I have created another then I have used the first div of second part create second footer section. This is the create second footer section. I have used it, I have created as it can be used, it can be reused. So in the place of items I have used an array. I have explained earlier, I have used items for each it created an li with the text content and appended to the ul. So there are 1 2 3 4 home, offer, service and about us. So these 4 li's will be created. by using create second footer. And others ful and fc2 child, these are the class names. And then append second heading in the first div of the second part into the second div. So this is the second section created. Then I created a third div with the class and the heading with the text and class, and then I created another complete section by using the function create second footer section with the number, explore more, info, the rustrickwindows.com, 1234 California USA, etc. So these four are basically items. Then I given the classes. Then appended the third heading in the second div of the second part to the third div. So third section have been created. Then I appended first div, second div and third div into the main div. So after that I appended main div into the footer and return footer. Similarly, as I've used in the home section and initial JS section, I have created a function footer load, selected the class content and created the footer using create footer and append the footer into the content. So this is all the functions and all the code, you can say that. Now if we talk about the styles, I have styled it, I have already explained. I think I have used mainly flex, and for the menu I've used grid, and this is not very complex, it is very simple design. So this is the output, and I hope that you will like it. And my project is open for the criticism. Any suggestion you can give me, I will be very thankful to you if you can review the code and give any kind of suggestions in it, and it will be very valuable for me. So this is the whole project, and I am seeing forward to create more projects of this kind. I am going to make an what we can say that a to-do list using the JavaScript, which will be UI based. There will be design, and also this will be a type of site. So thank you very much.